Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol POTN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like, oops, let's try something else, a little easier. There we go. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Another nice movement today, especially after the nice strong move to close out the week last week. So let's add in some levels of support and resistance. First area of support is what I would call the ideal, meaning if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up there above 36 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 36, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above 36 cents, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more of a big picture type perspective, keep an eye on the purple line right there. That is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to gauge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the price action's in full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, staying up above 36 cents would be the best case. However, from the grand scheme of thing perspective, as long as the price stays above that purple line, then the bulls 100% own the chart. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these next potential battlegrounds at? Nearer term level, where the sellers have once again made themselves known, right up there at 37 cents. 38 cents. I say once again because you go back here through the history of the chart and you can see quite a bit of price congestion right around that area. Sure, a couple times the price did get up above it, but without question, 38 cents is public enemy number one going into tomorrow. So that'll be the key level that the bulls will have to break if there's going to be any sort of continuation. I'm not saying it has to be broken tomorrow, but that is just where the sellers over the past few weeks have made themselves pretty apparent. So that's that key level of resistance. All in all, though, as long as the price starts building higher bases and more specifically stays above that purple line, as that purple line continues to increase, then everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on building higher lows and sit back and let the chart do its thing. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.